What's going on? How we doing out there? My name is Nehemiah Jeffrey, and in this video, we're going to discuss how I grew my channel from 0 subscribers to a whopping 816 subscribers as we talk today. Now, there are certain things that I did that allowed me to have this small amount of growth. Now, I know that 816 subscribers, it's not a lot in the grand scheme of things. I get it. However, for me, it's been a great improvement to my channel, and there are certain things that I learned on the way to getting 816 subscribers. Now, before we get into it, hit the subscribe and like button to get more content just like this. As we can hear a dog barking outside. No worries though. So, just to give you a recap as to how I started my channel and how long I've had my channel for, and some of the things I've been doing. So number one, I've had my channel since about 2020 is when I had my channel, or when I started my channel. And in that moment, I was just uploading just videos that I thought were cool, and I was very inconsistent. I really didn't even try to edit the videos that much. I would just literally just record, do a little bit of editing, and then put them out there. And then I may have put out maybe, let's say 10 videos, and then I stopped doing it. And then for, let's say 4 years later, so in 2024, at the beginning of this year, I decided to jumpstart the page. I do think that in 2023 though, I maybe put out maybe 20 videos, very inconsistent. When I feel like it, I'll put a video out and then I'll stop, start again, that sort of thing. But this year, 2024 in January, I made a commitment to do 3 shorts a day and 1 video a week. Now, there has been a lot of inconsistency there too. I was doing 3 shorts a week from about January till about June. That's where I saw the most growth. I had maybe, let's say, I don't know, I think 300 subscribers at the time. So I did 3 shorts a week, and I would pretty much do short videos of the property that I was renovating in New Jersey, and all type of things happened. So I would record myself talking about the oil tank, or talking about how I was robbed at the house, or how the oil tanks, or not the oil tank, but the water heaters were stolen from the house, or there was a homeless man living in the garage. Now, I know this all sounds like a story, but these are real things that happened to me or happened to that house. But nonetheless, those videos did really good. To me, they did really good, all right? One video got a whopping 10,000 views. It was a short. That was the best video I've had on YouTube thus far. Hey, look. And I'm happy about my 10,000 views as a short. So I was trudging away. Now, I did not post a video each week consistently because of me doing other things. I just didn't have the time. So that's one thing I'm working towards now, is posting 1 video a week, 1 long form video a week. And then I don't know how I'm going to go about the shorts, but I'm definitely not doing 3 shorts a week. 3 shorts a day right now. It was a lot to do. So from about January till about June, I did 3 shorts a week, 1 video, maybe once a month, maybe once every 2 weeks. And it grew, and it's still growing right now. I stopped in June, took like a 3-month hiatus off, and then I started again recently. I stopped in like May, June. I know I took I took 2 months off. I took 2 months off, stopped, restarted, and now I've been consistent. My goal is to stay consistent for the rest of the year and for a very long time. My goal is to do YouTube for at least 10 years. That's my goal. But I was able to figure out a game plan on what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to at least do 1 video once every 2 weeks. I know the gurus say once a week, once every 2 weeks, but make sure that video is high quality. I can't do 1 video a week like I would like because my schedule is too hectic. Okay? my other goal by the end of this year is to amass 10,000 subscribers. Now, that may sound like a stretch goal, but that's my goal. If I land under it, I'm happy. You know, if I land close to it, I'm happy. So, and yeah, you know, so I've sort of, now in regards to my content and what I'm producing, I'm making all different types of videos. So my page deals with adventures of an entrepreneur. I believe that we're all entrepreneurs, whether or not you work a 9 to 5, right? You're an entrepreneur. You're in the business of yourself. Therefore, you got to look after your own best interests. So we're all entrepreneurs at the end of the day. Okay. So, but I'm just experimenting right now. I don't really have like a direct focus. You know, I know all the YouTube gurus say have a focus. I get it. But my focus, I have a general focus. I'm focused on entrepreneurs, but in terms of what type of focus and where I'm gonna focus at specifically, I don't have that yet. But, you know, I'll record or interview like an entrepreneur of a deli store, or I'll just talk about what I'm doing day to day. I'm an entrepreneur. So anything entrepreneurial, I just put it in my content and I see what content does best. So that's pretty much my approach right now. And over time, I think I am getting closer to a niche as I keep experimenting with different ideas and different content. So we'll see how it goes. But anyway, that's a little short-term journey about myself. My name is Nehemiah Jeffrey. You know, just to give you some background about who I am. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I moved to New York City when I was 21. I went to Baruch College. If you know, you know. I went to Baruch College here in the city.